Majesty, I'll clean everything up quickly. Give me your words immediately. I'm sorry, but I don't have much to give.
Guards, chop off her head.
What?
Get over here!
Hello, darling. This is for you.
Infinity words?
They'll be back. Come quickly. I'd like to sell these diamonds. Trying to scam me. These diamonds are fake.
I'll buy those from you.
Really? Why would you do that?
Is 1,000 words okay?
Yes, please. Servant girl.
Your Majesty. Look, I'll give you words, as many as you want. All I ask is that you promise to be kind to me.
Take this.
Your crown?
Take over as queen.
Guards, a witch stole my words.
Where'd she go?
Give me your words. Immediately.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I cannot.
Hello, queen. You'd like to sell this crown? Too bad. I won't buy from you.
These are real diamonds and gold.
Yes, but you're a selfish queen, and you don't deserve any more words. Sorry, Your Majesty. I'll clean everything up quickly. Give me your words immediately? I'm sorry, but I don't have much to give.
Guards, chop off her head.
I've never seen you this quiet before.
Word thief.
Don't worry, I gave your words to someone more deserving. That servant girl? She's safe, and she has infinity words now.
Emily, how could you kiss Evan? I love him. Die?
Brianna, don't say it! No, Brianna! Brianna!
How do you know my name?
I'm not sure, but my name's Emily. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Brianna, I really like your sweater. It's so cute.
Thank you. It's new. I just bought it. My ex just came in. He told me he loved me today and then forgot me.
Whatever. Don't worry about him. You deserve so much better.
Thanks, but how would you know? You don't even know me.
I don't have to know you. It's obvious. Did you see? Evan was looking at you the whole class.
Whatever. He lost his chance. Hey, Emily.
Yeah?
I never forgot you.
What?
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
It's pink, my favorite color.
It is? I wouldn't know. I can't see color.
Why not?
Mommy, why can't I see the color pink?
Honey, it's time we have a talk. You'll only be able to see color when you meet your soulmate.
So that means it will be a really, really long time until I can see the color pink?
Hey, Brianna, what color is this pen?
I don't know.
She can't see color until she meets her soulmate. Hey, babe, don't let them get to you.
Babe, are you still fine being with me, even though you're not my soulmate?
Come on, you know I don't care about that. Let's go to the movies after school.
Yo, bro! Hey, Jason!
Brianna, you have to meet my buddy Jason.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Who's there? Who are you? Show yourself!
Mother's here. You really thought I'd let you stop playing Mother May I that easy?
What?
In order to stop playing Mother May I, you must defeat me.
Mother, please don't do this. I don't want to go up against you. I love you.
You do?
Yes. Has anyone ever told you that before?
No, they did not. I thought all my children were just ungrateful.
Mother, may I give you a hug?
You may. Congratulations, you are now Mother.
What? Who is this? I thought I just killed Mother.
There are multiple mothers.
Mother, may I drink water?
Mother, may I go home?
Mother, may I use the bathroom?
Mother!
Oh no,
What's wrong?
I'm getting a call.
Your word? Onomatopoeia.
Huh?
Brianna, hurry, pass on the word.
This word is really hard. I don't want to pronounce it wrong.
Pass on your word.
Now!
Come on, Brianna, it can't be that bad. What did you say? Is that even a word?
I know it's a hard word, Bestie, but you have to try your best. I don't want to lose you.
Kevin, come here. Onomatopoeia. What the? Jake, come here. Onomatopoeia. No, Kevin.
Are you serious? Why am I the one always getting calls?
Brianna, you need to answer it.
No, this isn't fair!
Hurry!
Someone's calling on the telephone.
Hurry up and answer it. They're going to give you a word and you must pass it on to the next person. The first person who says the word incorrectly dies. Your word is cookie.
Huh? Say that again.
They only tell you the word once. Now hurry, pass it on to me. Cookie. Come here, Timmy. Cookie.
I know the word. It's Wookie. Timmy!
Hey, Brianna, can you come here for a second?
Okay.
Get in. I'm sorry, I got chosen to play telephone.
Hey, Stephanie?
What's up?
I have to pass on a word to you.
Kitten. That's an easy word. Kevin, come here. Britain.
No! Oh no.
What's wrong?
I'm getting a call.
Your word? Onomatopoeia.
Huh?
Brianna, you got a mark.
I did? That means I must have passed my soulmate.
That means someone in this hallway is your soulmate. Introduce yourself to as many people as you can.
Good idea. Hey, you have a mark on your face. Hi, my name's Brianna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Johnny.
It's not you. Excuse me. Hi, my name's Brianna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Eugene.
Thank goodness it's not him.
I'm glad that you're not my soulmate. I'm way out of your league anyways.
What?
Brianna, how'd it go finding your soulmate today?
Not good. I couldn't find him. Someone in the school is my soulmate. I just need to figure out who.
Guess you'll have to try again tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey, watch where you're going.
Sorry.
Hit my nose. Sissy, walk faster. We're going to miss the bus.
I am trying.
Ow!
Stop it. You're showing emotion.
It hurts. Were you showing emotion?
No, I was not.
Can I have a chip?
Okay.
I'm joking! You killed Derek.
I am sorry, Derek.
Brianna, it is your fault my boyfriend is dead.
No, it is not. He showed emotion. He shouldn't have showed emotion. Goodbye.
Got you the new doll you wanted.
Thank you. I love.
Stop. You can't ever say I love YOU. If you say it to someone who's not your soulmate, you'll lose all memory of the person you said it to. Hey, baby, I got you lunch.
Thank you, babe. You're amazing.
I think it's time for us to say the L word.
But Evan, what if you're not my soulmate? I don't want to forget you.
It's okay. You don't need to forget me. I'll just say it then. I love you.
Evan?
Who are you? How do you know my name?
I'm your girlfriend.
I don't even know you. You're not my girlfriend, you bitch.
Hey, Emily. Evan told me he loved me today.
Brianna, that's great.
He forgot me.
Oh, no.
I need to make him fall for me again. Even if we're not soulmates, I don't want to lose him. Emily? Evan? Emily, how could you kiss Evan? I love him. And I
Brianna, don't say it.
love you.
I love you, Mommy.
No, you can't kiss me.
Mommy!
I'm sorry, sweetie, but you're not allowed to kiss anyone, ever.
It was just on the cheek.
No, it's not that. You were born with a curse, that if you kiss anyone, they'll die.
What?
Uh-oh, it's Kissing Killer Kate. Watch out.
Do you guys need to say that every day? It's not my fault I was born with a curse.
Relax, don't kiss us. Class, we have a new student today. Everyone meet Jonathan.
So, Jonathan, where'd you move from?
Bro, don't get too close to her. If she kisses you, you'll die. Yeah, dude, we call her Kissing Killer Kate. Really? Thanks for the heads up. I'll make sure to stay away from her. Kissing Killer Kate.
Hey, cutie, you want a kiss?
No. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
I spy with my little eye, Chad. Give me back my glasses.
No way. I lost mine. Catch me if you can.
I spy with my little eye the wall. I spy with my little eye, Chad. I spy with my little eye my vision-blocking glasses.
Hey, give them back.
No, they're mine. And if you have your eyes open, you need to say I spy.
I spy with my little...
Chad? Chad?
Attention, everyone. For population control, you may no longer wear your vision-blocking glasses or keep your eyes closed for an extended period of time. Anyone who breaks these rules will be killed.
I spy with my little eye. Good morning, Mom. I spy with my little eye my mom.
Here, take your vision-blocking glasses.
I spy with my little eye these vision-blocking glasses.
Wear them as much as you can so you don't have to say I spy all the time. I barely take mine off.
I spy with my little eye the ground. I spy with my little eye the bush. I spy with my little eye the bus.
Class, can anyone tell me why the earth is flat? My eyes are so itchy. My glasses, where'd they go?
Timmy, say I spy.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful girl named Brianna.
Chad, is that you?
Of course it's me. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me